Forget everything you know about soundbars, because 2026 just changed the game. These new wireless Dolby Atmos soundbars don't just fill your room with sound. They create a 3D audio bubble that pulls you inside the movie. And wait till you see number 3. It's so powerful, it can outshine most premium home theaters. Hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment for what you want to see next on Interface Craft. Number 6. JBL Bar 1000X 2026 edition. Portable power with real wireless freedom. You know JBL loves big, cinematic sound. But what's wild about the 2026 JBL Bar 1000X is how it combines raw audio power with pure wireless flexibility. The detachable rear speakers, once a cool gimmick, are now completely wireless and self-calibrating. You just pull them off, drop them behind your couch, and within seconds the system auto-maps your room using its new SoundSphere calibration tech. Performance-wise, this soundbar hits hard, literally. The dual subwoofers now use a pressure-balanced design, giving you tighter, more focused bass even in small spaces. Movies like Dune 2 or Top Gun, Maverick feel alive, jets swooping overhead, sandstorms swirling around you, and dialogue that stays clean no matter how loud you push it. And because it runs on Wi-Fi 7, you can stream uncompressed Dolby Atmos track straight from Apple TV, Fire TV, or even your gaming console. No HDMI needed. The result? A cinematic, cable-free soundstage that feels way more premium than its price suggests. JBL basically created a hybrid between a soundbar and a portable Atmos theater. But don't relax yet, because the next one on this list takes wireless to a level that'll make even audiophiles stop and listen. Number 5. Samsung HW Q990D, the flagship that learned to fly. If there's one soundbar that constantly redefines the word flagship, it's Samsung's Q series, and the 2026 HW Q990D might just be their most refined creation yet. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a full-blown redesign focused on total wireless freedom. No more messy cables linking the rear speakers to a receiver box. Everything, including the subwoofer and rears, now connects through Samsung's new Quantum Sync 2.0 protocol, ensuring near-zero latency and flawless sync, even for true Dolby Atmos and DTS. X-Playback. The Q990D's performance is breathtaking. It uses an upgraded 11.1.4 channel configuration, pushing sound vertically, horizontally, and diagonally, something few competitors can do wirelessly. You'll literally feel Atmos objects moving around your room with pinpoint accuracy. And Samsung's SpaceFit Pro Plus calibration maps your ceiling height, wall reflections, and even furniture density to optimize the audio field in real time. What's new this year is AI integration. The Q990D analyzes sound in real time, adjusting bass, clarity, and directionality based on what you're watching. Explosions feel powerful but never muddy, and dialogue stays crisp even in chaotic action scenes. You could be watching John Wick 5 or listening to live jazz, and the sound feels handcrafted for that moment. Samsung didn't just make it wireless, they made it smart. Everything runs through Wi-Fi 7, supporting lossless Atmos streams directly from Netflix, Disney+, and Tidal without relying on HDMI ARC. This is the point where the wireless tag stops being a limitation and starts being liberation. But the most impressive thing? The Q990D doesn't lose a single ounce of precision compared to its wired rivals. It's the soundbar equivalent of a supercar that also happens to be electric, smooth, powerful, and shockingly quiet when it needs to be. So if you thought wireless could never feel cinematic, this one proves you wrong in the most effortless way possible. Number 4. LG S95QR2 2026 Refresh, the AI-tuned Atmos Master. Coming in next is LG's S95QR2, a soundbar that brings intelligence to immersion. The original S95QR already made waves for its 5 upward-firing channels, but the 2026 Refresh fine-tunes that legacy with AI-driven spatial calibration and dynamic object mapping that feels almost unreal in a compact setup. At its core, the S95QR2 delivers a 9.1.5 channel configuration, but the magic lies in how it processes sound. LG introduced its Alpha 9 audio processor Gen 6, which uses machine learning to listen to your room like a studio engineer. It detects reflections, furniture density, and ceiling distance to create a custom 3D map, then tailors every Dolby Atmos layer to it. The result? You don't just hear height, you feel it wrapping above and around you. And because this is a wireless build, every speaker communicates through Zero Sync, LG's proprietary system that eliminates drift and compression. So what you hear is clean, tight, and instantaneous. The new subwoofer has a redesigned downward driver that produces deep, room-filling bass without the usual bloat that smaller rooms struggle with. Visually, the S95QR2 is gorgeous, brushed metal with subtle LED accents, designed to complement any minimalist or cinematic home setup. But performance-wise, it's a monster disguised as elegance. Whether it's an Atmos-heavy scene from Avatar, The Way of Water, or a quiet acoustic session on Spotify, LG's tuning adapts in real time. This is the Soundbar for those who want something intelligent, not just loud. It's the bridge between audiophile precision and everyday convenience. But hold on, because what's coming next is where things start getting wild. The next model pushes wireless Dolby Atmos beyond living room setup territory and straight into cinema-grade sound without the cables. You'll see why it's shocking even the pros. Number 3. Sony Bravia Theater Pro 2026 Edition. Precision meets power. Now we're stepping into Sony territory, and this one's a statement piece. The Sony Bravia Theater Pro 2026 isn't just a soundbar. It's Sony's declaration that wireless Dolby Atmos can sound as pure and precise as studio audio. At first glance, it looks like any other sleek Sony design. Matte graphite finish, minimal controls, that signature Bravia polish. But inside, it's a sound architecture that practically redefines accuracy. Sony has built a 12-driver array with upward-firing and side-firing speakers tuned by their new Reality Sound Engine Plus, the same algorithm used in their flagship cinema monitors. The Bravia Theater Pro uses a feature called Precision Beam Control, which doesn't just bounce sound off walls, it sculpts it. You can literally sit off-center, and still, voices stay locked to the screen like a magnet. It creates what reviewers are calling the invisible speaker illusion. You forget the soundbar exists because the sound seems to come directly from your TV. And since this is Sony, integration is flawless. If you pair it with a 2026 Bravia OLED or QD-OLED TV, you unlock Acoustic Center Sync Plus, merging the TV speakers with the soundbar into one massive sound field. Imagine a helicopter passing overhead. It doesn't just move left or right, it rises in your room. What's remarkable is how quietly confident it feels. It doesn't exaggerate bass or brightness. It delivers detail, crisp highs, lifelike mids, and clean lows that make dialogue feel like it's spoken right in front of you. It's the kind of experience that makes you lean forward, not because it's loud, but because it's alive. This is the soundbar for those who value precision over noise and artistry over chaos. Sony didn't just make another Atmos bar. They built a reference-grade instrument that happens to be wireless. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, let's pause for just a second. Natural flow. By the way, if you're serious about sound and love discovering tech that actually earns its hype, you're in the right place. Here on Interface Craft, we don't do generic reviews. We test, compare, and reveal the truth behind modern home audio. So after this video, check out our deep dive into top 7 wireless soundbars 2026, watch before you buy, and our exclusive breakdown, 6 soundbars that beat Dolby Atmos. Both are linked below, and trust me, you want to see how far wireless tech has really come. Alright, let's get back to the list, because what's next might be the most intelligent soundbar ever built. Number 2, Bose Smart Ultra Plus 2026, the wireless mind reader. When Bose calls something smart, they usually mean convenience. But the Bose Smart Ultra Plus 2026 takes that word to an entirely new level, because this time, it actually thinks about how you listen. This is the most adaptive soundbar Bose has ever built. It uses an advanced neural acoustic engine, powered by AI, that studies your room's layout, ceiling angles, and even your listening habits. Over time, it learns when you prefer more bass, when you like dialogue to be front and center, and when you want a cinematic boost. Then it adjusts automatically. At its heart, it supports Dolby Atmos and Bose Spatial Soundex, which goes beyond standard height channels by blending phase control and beamforming into a 360-degree bubble. The result? It feels like the walls in your room vanish, replaced by a seamless dome of sound that moves naturally around you. But the real magic is how it manages to stay wireless while sounding this powerful. The Smart Ultra Plus uses tri-band Wi-Fi 7 audio transmission, allowing lossless 24-bit playback for movies and music without a single compression artifact. Even the new Bose bass module and rear speakers connect wirelessly. With delays so small, it's measured in microseconds. What sets it apart is emotion. Bose engineers clearly focused on feel, the goosebumps moment. Watch an emotional scene, and the Smart Ultra Plus feels like it breathes with the characters. Then switch to an action movie, and it roars alive with deep, pulsing bass that hits harder than most standalone subs. Design-wise, it's stunning. Brushed titanium edges, subtle LED accents, and a floating glass top panel that reacts to your hand movements. It's clean, elegant, and futuristic without trying too hard. This is for the listener who wants premium without complexity. You plug it in, set it up once, and then forget it because it just works. Every day, it sounds like it's been freshly tuned for you. So if you thought smart soundbars were just marketing, Bose just proved they can be something personal. And trust me, if you're impressed so far, what's coming next makes every other soundbar on this list look like a warm-up act. The number one pick doesn't just deliver Dolby Atmos, it transcends it. It's the soundbar that's redefining 2026. Number 1. Sennheiser Ambeo Max Wireless, 2026 flagship. The unchallenged king of Dolby Atmos. And now we've arrived at the undisputed heavyweight of the wireless Dolby Atmos world. The Sennheiser Ambeo Max Wireless 2026. This isn't just a soundbar, it's an event. From the very first note, it tells you what perfection sounds like. The Ambeo Max doesn't rely on marketing gimmicks, it relies on physics. Inside this colossal bar are 17 independent drivers, each powered by its own amplifier, arranged in a 3D soundstage that physically fills the room with Atmos realism. But here's where it breaks new ground. For the first time, Sennheiser has made this legendary bar fully wireless, without compromising sound quality. Using their new Ambeo Wave Ultra protocol, it transmits uncompressed 24-bit/96 kHz audio across all channels. No HDMI, no cables, no dropouts. Just pure, unfiltered cinema sound flowing through air. The way it handles Dolby Atmos is on a different level. With Sennheiser Spatial Remastering 2.0, every object in a sound mix, a whisper, a raindrop, a jet flying overhead, is reconstructed in physical 3D space using AI mapping. It doesn't just simulate a sound field, it builds one in real time around you. The ceiling, the floor, the walls, all become part of the experience. And then there's the bass. A built-in subwoofer array powered by dual 8-inch drivers delivers chest-thumping, deep resonance without needing a separate unit. You can literally feel the rumble of thunder in your ribs. Design-wise, it's signature Sennheiser, modern, sculpted, and commanding. The aluminum mesh grille wraps around like armor, and a subtle LED wave glides across when sound moves around you, like you're watching the sound breathe. Every review that's touched this bar calls it the new benchmark of immersive audio. It's not cheap, at nearly $2,000, but it's not meant to be. This is for those who don't want a soundbar. They want a cinematic experience that outlives trends. The Ambeo Max Wireless isn't competing. It's leading the entire Atmos revolution into a new era. Best value picks for 2026, the smart choices. Now let's shift gears for a moment. Not everyone wants to spend thousands, and honestly, you don't have to. Here are a few standout picks that deliver premium Dolby Atmos performance without the flagship price tag. 1. Samsung HW Q850D 2026 If you want that signature Samsung punch with dynamic wireless surround, this one's unbeatable for under $800. You still get real Dolby Atmos, rear speakers, and sub included. All tuned with Samsung's new Q Symphony 4.0 tech that syncs perfectly with their 2026 TVs. It's the perfect balance between raw power and smart integration. 2. LG S90Ty 2026. LG continues to surprise with their clarity-focused tuning. The S90Ty delivers remarkable height separation with crisp detail and a surprisingly cinematic feel, thanks to triple sound boost drivers. It's light, sleek, and ideal for mid-size living rooms or apartments where wireless simplicity matters most. 3. Hisense U9 Sound Pro 2026, the most budget-friendly Atmos upgrade that doesn't feel budget. At around $499, it's the underdog of 2026. Compact, powerful, and compatible with wireless subs and satellites. Perfect for anyone who just wants true Atmos without spending big. Together, these three prove something simple. Great Dolby Atmos isn't just for audiophiles anymore. Whether you're chasing premium realism or affordable excellence, 2026 is shaping up to be the year wireless finally means limitless. Final thoughts plus buyer's guide. If there's one thing to take away from this list, it's this: Dolby Atmos is no longer a luxury. It's the new standard for anyone who truly loves sound. But when you're choosing your next soundbar, remember, it's not just about specs or driver count. It's about fit. Ask yourself, do you watch more movies or stream music daily? Is your room open or enclosed? Do you care about cinematic thunder or crystal clear dialogue? If you're in a smaller apartment, go for the Sonos ArcMax Wireless or Bose Smart Ultra Plus. They're balanced, elegant, and designed for everyday perfection. If you want performance that feels limitless, the Sennheiser Ambeo Max Wireless is the only bar that feels like a full home theater without needing one. And if you're budget conscious but still demand that immersive bubble, the Samsung Q850D hits that sweet spot perfectly. Think of it this way: your soundbar isn't just an accessory, it's the heartbeat of your entire home theater. Choose one that doesn't just play sound, but pulls you inside the story. Cinematic outro, channel close. So there you have it, the top 6 wireless Dolby Atmos soundbars of 2026. Each one built not just to impress, but to transport you, to bring you closer to the sound than ever before. If this video helped you find your next home theater upgrade, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps us bring you more honest, high-quality deep dives like this. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to Interface Craft, where sound isn't just reviewed, it's experienced. Because here, we don't just chase the next big thing. We chase the next big feeling.